Have you ever planted flowers in pots only to watch them bloom beautifully for a few weeks and then suddenly stop? The color fades, the excitement disappears, and your containers start looking tired long before summer is over. Now imagine the opposite: a balcony, patio, or garden filled with flowers that never seem to stop blooming. Week after week, month after month, color, life, and movement without constant replanting or effort. The secret isn't working harder. It's choosing the right plants. In this video, you'll discover 10 flowering plants that are perfectly suited for containers and will bloom all summer long with minimal care. These are reliable, proven choices that keep producing color, even in heat, even with occasional neglect. Stay until the end, because some of the most powerful bloomers are also the easiest to grow and often overlooked. Let's begin. 1. Petunias are one of those plants that quickly prove why they've become a favorite for container gardening all over the world. At first, you might choose them simply because they're colorful, but over time you realize they're doing far more than just adding beauty. They're consistent, forgiving, and almost endlessly productive. Once petunias settle into a container, they begin to grow with surprising speed. The plant expands outward, filling empty space and naturally spilling over the edges of the pot. This cascading habit is what gives containers that full professional look, like something carefully designed, even if you did very little to achieve it. Their flowering pattern is where they truly stand out. Petunias don't bloom in short bursts. They bloom continuously. As older flowers fade, new buds are already forming, creating a constant cycle of color. You're not waiting for the next wave, you're always in it. Modern petunia varieties have made things even easier. Many are self-cleaning, meaning they drop spent flowers on their own and keep producing new ones without requiring regular deadheading. This alone makes them perfect for anyone who wants results without constant maintenance. They also handle heat extremely well. In the peak of summer, when some plants begin to slow down or struggle, petunias keep going. As long as they receive enough sunlight, ideally full sun for most of the day, they continue to bloom with the same intensity. Watering is flexible too. While they prefer consistent moisture, they're surprisingly forgiving. If you forget to water them occasionally, they may droop slightly, but they recover quickly once hydrated. Another advantage is versatility. Petunias work in almost any container setup: hanging baskets, window boxes, large pots, even vertical arrangements. You can use them alone for a bold, overflowing display, or combine them with other plants to create layered designs. Over time, petunias don't just maintain their appearance, they improve it. The more they grow, the fuller and more dramatic your container becomes, all without requiring extra effort. They don't just bloom, they perform. 2. Geranium pelargonium. Geraniums, more precisely pelargoniums, are one of those plants that never go out of style, and once you grow them, it's easy to understand why. They combine structure, durability, and long-lasting color in a way that few container plants can match. Unlike trailing plants like petunias, geraniums grow in a more upright, structured form. Their thick stems and rounded foliage create a strong base, while the flower clusters rise above the leaves, making each bloom highly visible. This gives your container a sense of height and presence, even if you're only using one plant. The flowers themselves are bold and unmistakable. Instead of small, scattered blooms, geraniums produce tight clusters that create a concentrated burst of color. Deep reds, bright pinks, soft whites, and even bicolor varieties make them incredibly versatile for different styles and spaces. But what truly sets geraniums apart is their resilience. They are built to handle conditions that would stress many other plants. Strong sunlight, high temperatures, occasional dryness, geraniums tolerate it all with ease. This makes them ideal for balconies, terraces, and outdoor spaces where conditions can change quickly. In fact, they often perform better with slightly less attention. Overwatering is more likely to cause problems than occasional neglect. Their thick stems and semi-succulent nature allow them to retain moisture, making them more drought-tolerant than most flowering plants. Maintenance is minimal. While removing spent flowers can encourage even more blooms, it's not strictly necessary. Geraniums continue to produce new flower clusters steadily throughout the season, maintaining a consistent display without constant intervention. Another advantage is how well they anchor a container design. If you're combining multiple plants, geraniums act as a focal point, providing structure and balance. If planted alone, they still look complete and intentional. They also adapt well to different container sizes and conditions, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Over time, geraniums become more impressive rather than fading. They grow stronger, fuller, and more visually impactful as the season progresses. They don't just survive summer, they define it. 3. Caliber Choa Million Bells. If you love the look of petunias but want something even more compact, refined, and effortless, Caliber Choa, often called Million Bells, is an absolute standout. It's one of those plants that quietly overperforms, turning even a simple container into something that looks rich, full, and professionally styled. From the moment it gets established, Caliber Choa begins to spread outward and downward, creating a dense, flowing shape. Instead of growing tall, it naturally cascades, making it perfect for hanging baskets, window boxes, and elevated containers, where you want that soft, trailing effect. What truly makes it special is the sheer number of flowers it produces. Each bloom is small, but there are so many of them that the foliage often disappears completely beneath a blanket of color. It doesn't bloom in waves, it blooms constantly. There's no pause, no gap, no waiting period. It simply keeps producing flowers from early summer all the way through the season. Another major advantage is how low maintenance it is. Unlike older flowering plants that require regular deadheading, Caliber Choa is self-cleaning. The spent flowers drop off naturally, and new ones take their place without any help from you. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants maximum visual impact with minimal effort. It thrives in full sun and handles heat very well, which means it continues performing even during the hottest parts of summer. As long as the soil drains well and you water it when needed, it stays vigorous and full. In terms of design, Caliber Choa is incredibly versatile. It works beautifully on its own for a soft, cascading look, or as a spiller plant in mixed containers, where it softens edges and connects different elements together. Over time, it doesn't just maintain its beauty, it amplifies it. The longer it grows, the fuller and more dramatic it becomes, creating that lush, overflowing effect that feels effortless but looks impressive. It's one of the easiest ways to achieve non-stop color without constant care. 4. Begonias are one of the most reliable solutions for containers placed in shade or partial shade, areas where many flowering plants struggle to perform. If your space doesn't get full sun all day, this is where begonias truly shine. What makes begonias so valuable is their ability to provide continuous color without depending on intense sunlight. While other plants may slow down or stop blooming in lower light, begonias continue steadily producing soft, elegant flowers in shades of pink, red, white, and orange. But their appeal goes beyond flowers. Begonias also bring rich, attractive foliage into the mix. The leaves are often glossy, textured, and vibrant, adding depth and visual interest even when blooms are less prominent. This combination of flowers and foliage creates a layered, full appearance that makes containers feel lush and complete. In terms of growth habit, begonias tend to form dense, rounded shapes. They fill containers evenly without becoming too wild or unmanageable. This makes them perfect for creating a polished, balanced look with very little effort. Another reason they're so popular is their adaptability. Begonias handle humidity, changing weather, and fluctuating light conditions better than most flowering plants. Whether on a shaded balcony, under a covered patio, or in a garden corner, they remain stable and consistent. Care is simple. They prefer moderate watering and well-draining soil, but they're not overly demanding. As long as you avoid overwatering and provide some protection from harsh, direct sun, they continue to perform without constant attention. They also don't require frequent pruning or maintenance. No complicated routines, just steady, reliable growth. In containers, begonias create a calm, elegant presence. They don't overwhelm with bold intensity, but instead provide continuous, soft color and fullness that lasts all season. And perhaps that's their greatest strength. While other plants depend on perfect conditions to look their best, begonias deliver beauty consistently, even when conditions are less than ideal. 5. Verbena is one of those plants that feels almost unstoppable once it gets going. While many flowers struggle or slow down during intense summer heat, verbena does the opposite. It thrives. This makes it one of the most valuable choices for containers, especially if your space gets strong sun and high temperatures. At first glance, its flowers may seem small, but they grow in tight clusters that create a bold, eye-catching effect. These clusters appear again and again, forming a continuous layer of color in shades of purple, pink, red, and white. The result is not just a few blooms here and there, but a steady, vibrant display that feels alive and energetic. One of verbena's biggest strengths is its endurance. It's built for challenging conditions, full sun, dry soil, and heat that would stress many other plants. Once established, it becomes surprisingly drought-tolerant, meaning you don't have to worry if you occasionally miss a watering. Another advantage is how long it keeps blooming. Verbena doesn't rely on short flowering cycles. Instead, it produces flowers continuously, especially if it receives enough sunlight. Even in the peak of summer, when other plants may pause, verbena continues to push out new blooms. It also brings movement and life into your container garden. Pollinators like bees and butterflies are naturally drawn to it, adding activity and energy to your space. This makes your containers feel more dynamic, not just decorative. In terms of growth habit, verbena can work in multiple ways. Some varieties stay more compact and upright, while others spread or trail slightly, softening the edges of containers. This flexibility allows it to function as either a main feature or a supporting plant in mixed arrangements. Maintenance is minimal. Occasional trimming can encourage even more blooms, but even without it, verbena continues to perform reliably. It's not a plant that demands constant attention, it simply keeps going. If you want something that holds its color, structure, and energy through the toughest parts of summer, verbena is one of the most dependable choices you can make. 6. Lobelia. Lobelia brings a completely different mood into container gardening. Where some plants are bold and dramatic, lobelia is soft, airy, and almost cloud-like. It adds a gentle, flowing quality that balances stronger colors and shapes beautifully. The flowers are small but incredibly abundant. Tiny blooms in shades of blue, purple, or white gather so densely that they form a soft blanket of color. From a distance, it looks like a light mist or cloud resting on the edge of your container. One of its most attractive features is its trailing habit. Lobelia naturally spills over the sides of pots, softening hard edges and creating a more natural, relaxed look. This makes it perfect for hanging baskets, window boxes, or as a spiller in mixed containers. While older varieties of lobelia sometimes struggled in extreme heat, many modern hybrids are bred specifically for continuous summer performance. With the right conditions, especially some protection from intense afternoon sun, they can bloom steadily throughout the season. Even when flowering slows slightly, a light trim can quickly refresh the plant and encourage a new wave of blooms. This simple step can keep it looking full and vibrant for much longer. Lobelia is also incredibly useful in design. It fills gaps effortlessly, connects different plants visually, and adds contrast, especially when paired with bold, upright flowers. It doesn't compete for attention, but it enhances everything around it. Care is straightforward. It prefers consistent moisture and well-drained soil, and it benefits from partial sun or morning sunlight, with some afternoon shade in hotter climates. In containers, lobelia acts like a finishing touch. It softens, balances, and completes the arrangement, turning a simple pot into something that feels full, layered, and thoughtfully composed. It may not be the loudest plant in your garden, but it's often the one that makes everything else look better. 7. Zinnias are one of those plants that instantly make gardening feel easy and rewarding. From the moment they begin to bloom, they bring bold color, structure, and energy into any container, and they keep doing it for months. Their flowers are large, bright, and unmistakable. Each bloom resembles a daisy, but with richer colors and stronger presence. You'll see vibrant shades of red, orange, yellow, pink, and even multicolored combinations that create a lively, cheerful display. What makes zinnias especially valuable is their long blooming period. Once they start in early summer, they don't slow down. New flowers keep appearing continuously until the first frost, meaning your containers stay full of color without interruption. In containers, compact or dwarf varieties are the best choice. They grow into neat, dense shapes that fill the pot without becoming too tall or unstable. This makes them perfect for balconies, patios, or small spaces where you want maximum impact without overcrowding. Zinnias absolutely love sunlight. The more sun they receive, the stronger and more productive they become. They also handle heat exceptionally well, which means they continue blooming even during the hottest parts of summer when other plants may struggle. Another advantage is their simplicity. Once established, zinnias don't require frequent watering. They prefer slightly drier conditions rather than constantly wet soil, making them a great option for gardeners who don't want to water every day. They're also naturally resilient. Zinnias resist many common garden problems, which makes them ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a low-stress plant. If you want bold color, long-lasting blooms, and a plant that rewards you without demanding much in return, zinnias are one of the easiest choices you can make. 8. Impatiens. If your space is shaded and you think nonstop blooms aren't possible, impatiens will completely change your perspective. These plants are designed for low-light conditions, and they don't just survive there, they thrive. In containers placed in shade or partial shade, impatiens produce an incredible number of flowers that almost completely cover the plant. The blooms are soft, vibrant, and continuous. Shades of pink, red, white, purple, and even bicolor varieties create a rich, layered look that brings life into spaces where other plants often fail. What makes impatiens so valuable is their consistency. They don't rely on perfect conditions or constant maintenance. Once planted, they continue blooming steadily throughout the entire season without needing much attention. In containers, they form a dense, rounded shape that fills space evenly. This makes them ideal for creating that full pot look without needing multiple plants. Unlike sun-loving flowers, impatiens prefer consistent moisture. As long as the soil doesn't dry out completely, they remain healthy and productive. And even if they do wilt slightly from lack of water, they recover quickly once watered. They're also incredibly adaptable. Whether on a shaded balcony, under a covered patio, or in a garden corner with limited sunlight, impatiens adjust easily and continue to perform. In mixed containers, they work beautifully as filler plants, adding softness and continuous color. On their own, they create a complete, lush display with minimal effort. Impatiens prove that you don't need full sun to have a vibrant, blooming container garden. Even in the shade, they keep your space alive with color, day after day, all summer long.